In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple languages in Wix. This can be a valuable feature if you're looking to reach a broader audience by offering your website in more than one language. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your Wix website editor. Once inside, look towards the top of your screen where you'll find the Settings option. This is your access point for making various changes and enhancements to your website. Click on it to proceed to the next step. As you explore the Settings menu, you'll notice an option labeled Multilingual. This feature is crucial for our task today as it allows us to manage and add different languages to our website. So, go ahead and click on Multilingual. At this point, you'll be taken to a new section where you'll see an option to Add Language. Click on this option. This is the moment where you begin expanding the reach of your website by making it accessible in different languages. Next, you will be prompted to type in your preferred language. Consider the audience you are trying to reach. You might choose a widely spoken language like Spanish or French, or perhaps you're targeting a more specific group with a language like Dutch or Mandarin. Type in the language you're aiming to add to your website accordingly. After picking the language, you might want to associate it with a flag. Selecting a flag is a visual cue for users to easily recognize the languages available on your site. It's a simple step that improves user experience by making navigation more intuitive. Choose the flag that corresponds with the language you just typed. With the language and flag selected, it's time to specify the country. Type in the name of the country that typically speaks this language, or where your target audience resides. This helps further customize the language settings. Once you've filled in all necessary fields, click on Add Language again. By doing this, you officially integrate the new language into your website settings, preparing it for translation and accessibility. The next step involves deciding on the visibility of your newly added language. You'll need to select an option under the Make Site in your Language Visible Right Away setting. You can choose to make it visible immediately or keep it hidden until further translations or modifications are ready. This is a crucial decision as it determines when your audience will see the additional language option. Finally, click on Add Language one more time to finalize the entire process. Your selected language should now be part of your site, offering new opportunities for reaching a diverse audience. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled your Wix site to offer multiple languages, paving the way for greater global engagement. Explore the various translation tools available to ensure your content meets the expectations and norms of each language group you're targeting. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.